Hello everyone. So today we are starting with the sample paper of geography. So this is the first sample paper and for the students of ICSC class 10th only, those who will be giving the examination in this session 2021 May. So starting with this sample paper, again I am telling you I have given the answers also with these questions. So starting from the first question, yesterday and day before yesterday we have also uploaded the sample paper of history. Two sample papers are uploaded, you can check the videos. So starting with this sample paper, this is the first question. In this sample paper I have given the answers with these questions only. So you have to note these questions and then you have to write the answers also. This is 45D10, 45D7 and 45D10 are the two topo sheets in your syllabus. So this relates to 45D10. This is the question and this is the answer. Please write down. After that, B part is this. Answers are this. C part, answers are this. Sorry, answers are this. This is the question. D part, answers are this. Coming to the E part, there is a little change in the answers of E part. That the answers is 12 centimeter on the map presents 6 kilometer. Answer is 6 kilometer here. F part, answers are this. G part, these are the answers. H part, these are the answers. I part, answer is this. J part, answer is on next page. These are the answers of H part. Coming to question number 2, question number 2 is of map. So I haven't solved the map over here. For map, I'll make a different video in which I'll try to tell you that how to label these rivers and your wind systems and everything. So I have left this question. Moving to the part number 2. In the first question, question number 3, it is written what type of wind in this monsoon, what is the direction during summer. So in this you can write down, this answer is not complete. So in this you can write down this monsoon is derived from the word Arabic word mausim, which means season. And in this you can also write down that monsoon means that total reversal of winds. About the second part of this question, which is from here to here, the answer is southwest monsoon winds. Two characteristics of the winds. This part answer is given over here. This is the answer given over here. So question number 3 answers are here. Question number B answers are here. C part answers are here. This is the complete question C, and these are the answers. Please pause the video and read the questions, note the questions, and then write the answers and write down the answers. Coming to question number D, please make this table, write down these questions, and the answers will be, these are the answers. Moving to question number 4. This is the question, A part. Answer number 1 is this. In second, you can also add sugarcane. B part question is this and answers are this. C part question is this, answers are this. First, second. In third, you can write down due to white diffusion and iron content. I have done some editing in these answers, so the answers will be much better. In D part, these are the questions and answers are this. With this deforestation overgrazing, you can also write down mining and digging, etc. Question number fifth is this. A part is this and answer is this. B part question number, which will continue to the next page. This is the question and these are the answers. C part starts from here. Answers are, these are the answers. Question number D, question is this, answers start from here. Coming to the next question, question number 6, two questions, A and B part, C and D part. All the answers of question number 6 are written after all the questions are completed. So A part answer is this, B part this, C part this is the answer, D part this is the answer. Coming to question number 7, questions are this, these are the questions only. This is also the part of question. From here the answers are starting. Answer number A I have left blank. Why? Let me check. In this PDF this answer is remaining. No problem, you can find out it easily in your book. Actually, why the manganese is important? Because it is the raw material for many industries, right? So that's why manganese is very important. It is used for mixing purposes and alloy purposes. That is the main reason why manganese is important. I have not written in this answer sheet, but the answer is this only. If you want to add any other point, you can go through your book and add any other two reasons also. B part answers, C part answers. Geographical locations, reasons for the following, these are the answers. Coming to question number 8, question number 8 starts from here, A part, and this is the answer of A part. B part, question is this and this, answers are this. C part, this is the picture study question. Relation to this picture, these are the questions given over here and these are the answers given. From here to here are the answers. This picture relates to cotton. Question number D is this. This is question number D. Answers starting from here. These are the answers of D part. Coming to question number 9. A part question is this, answer is this. This also includes this also. This is the part of A answer only. Coming to B part, these are the answers. Coming to C part, questions are this and answers are this. Moving to D part. Question is this and answers are this. Now moving to the 10th question. A part question is this and this is the answer of A part. B part question, answers are this. C part question, these are the questions, answers are this. Moving to D part, this is the question, these are the answers. Moving to question number 11, that is the last question of this amplifier. Question is this is the question, this is the question. So in this question, first only the questions are given. Please note down the questions first. From here the answers are starting. A part answer from here to here. B part answer here to here. C part answer here to here. This D part answer, these are the answers. So now we have completed first sample paper of geography for class 10th ICSE. So after that I will be uploading second sample paper also today or tomorrow. After that we will do a series of important questions of history, civics and geography for class 10th, and simultaneously we will try to do the 9th class history and important questions for 9th class also. Thank you.